need rain. What's the surefire way to get it? I'll just mow some hay. Sure enough, it'll come. What you doing? Of course, you mow hay and then it downpours that same night.
Yeah. That's mess with you.
Yeah, that's how it always goes. You can just call it washing hay.
Yeah. I'm out here with my toothbrush. Scrubbing every strand of hay. Not good.
Well, that's a good start. So you just pull this pin and then adjust it in those 3 slots there? This hole? There you go.
That's a good way to plug up the baler.
Yeah, there's no way that was going to get through the baler. Alright, I couldn't take sitting in that thing anymore. There's no buddy seat, so I was just like leaning on the side of his chair and it was really uncomfortable. Well, you done raking and now we're just waiting on it to dry so we can bale it? Get what?
Flatbed. The flatbed?
The flatbed? Was there pressure on the hydraulics or something?
Yep. Tuck them babies in there. Alright, I'm gonna get my water and we'll jump in the pickup and then we'll get that flatbed.
Alright, sounds like a plan. Oh, come on, Dort. Oh, it's hot in here. Oh no! Bottle. Get back here. Back in the truck.
Got me onto that ball.
Sure. Keep coming. Keep coming. I honestly can't tell. Alright, bring it this way. Alright. I gotta raise up the trailer. You're not gonna clear the ball.
This is called the lights.
That's where the lights should plug from, but
But because the last time I was hauling hay, the light plug-in has been tossed in there. No lights.
did I ever tell you that this truck, I had someone add it into the farming simulator game?
This one?
Yeah, I had someone make this truck and add it into the game so I could use it.
No.
Yeah.
Of course, this is like the coolest truck in
It is. It's the best truck. If only it was a manual, though. That's the one thing it's lacking.
it. That's your mama's fault.
I've been hearing things about a butterfly or something going around and eating a lot of beans. Has that been around here?
More than likely. But what you got to understand, and let's take a look at these beans while we're going by.
Okay.
There's a lot of people panic about this bug, that bug, that bug, this bug. And when they go in and spray, not only do they take out the bad bug, but to take out the good bug.
Right.
And there's a lot of good bugs out there that their sole purpose of being there is to take care of the bad bug.
Yep.
See. lot of threes. That's good. They're feeling good. Feeling good big beans.
I'd say the beans look pretty good this year.
They do. Even these top, they're getting puffy.
I mean, usually by this time of the year, these are starting to yellow up, but we've had fairly good conditions. These are these beans taller than I ever remember them being?
This is a good height.
These are really tall. I mean, I'm like 6'2", 6'3", and they're up to my hip or higher, my waist almost. All right, well, we're gonna let the sun do its thing and dry out this hay. I'm gonna head back and get some stuff edited in the meantime. Here in a little bit, he'll give me a call when it's ready to go. We'll be back out here to bale it shortly. We're gonna hop into the 6715, I believe it is, right here. We're gonna hop into the 6715 and get to moving bales down on the bottom side of this field on the edge of it. That way we have a nice low spot to load them up onto the trailer, and things will go a lot faster. So we're gonna hop up in here, get this thing fired up, and get to work. Now I don't know how I'm gonna film this part. I'll try. We'll figure it out. I need a suction cup mount for my camera or something. All right. Close this door. Ooh, that's loud. This one down. That was better. Now we're going almost 4 miles an hour. Woo! We're speeding. We're a speed demon. Wonder what's for supper. I am hungry. It's not even close to eating time yet. But I could eat. I could go for some grub. I hope it's steak. I really want a steak right now. Oh, actually, we're only gonna have the 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Luckily, I can count to 4, and that's about as far as I can go, so we got just enough bales. If it was 5, probably would have been in trouble. So I know some of you guys, you talk about farm stuff a lot, and some of you seem to have some expertise. Did any of you live on a farm? Any of you grow up on one? Let me know down below. I'd like to hear what your farm does, what you guys do, how much you farm. Give me some numbers, give me some stats. I'm interested to see what your farm's like. Every farm operates a little differently, so it's cool to see how other people do it, you know? Like in our case, we've got moi who doesn't quite know what he's doing, pretending like he knows what he's doing, and well, knock on wood, hasn't messed up yet. Where's wood? What? There's no wood in here. Another one bites the dust, look out, and another one's gone, and another one's gone. Another one bites the dust, stop rolling, so I can go forward. Warning, to avoid injury or death caused by falling loads, do not handle round bales unless loader is equipped with an approved bale handling attachment. Who would want to hold a round baler with a bucket? If you tried that, I'm sorry, but you belong in a special place. Next bale, get on me front loader. Oh, hi, bale. Tractor, forwards, march. Holy crap. Well, it's a new day. We are now going to be baling hay with round baler back here, back north of our farm with a different field. They're going to take care of the horses real quick, do some chores, so we'll catch back with them here when they're actually going to go out in the field. I don't think we're needed for anything, but hey, we're going to go and get a little bit of it filmed, just see what's going on. Oh, boy, I tell you what, we had a going away party for my little cousin, who's practically my brother, and he's going into the Army. Well, little cousins were out here and they wanted, oh, chill horse, chill. And they wanted to play football. Well, I haven't walked fast, let alone run, in the better part of 3-4 years, so 10 minutes of football, I'll tell you what, I am one sore son of a... So we should be down over there somewhere. I'm gonna take the entrance right up over here. We're gonna head down there, through there. There he is. He's way up there on that hill. You see him? That little speck, that little tractor up there? That's him. That's where we're going. Oh, that's gonna be a steep hill. Come on. Maybe? We're not spinning yet. We're almost there. Beautiful. Let's try and pull this off over out of the way maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna be in the way anywhere I go out here. Oh, I love it out here. Back north here in these big hills is my favorite place on the farm. This is where I love to be. It's a little hard getting in here with one hand. You know how much easier it is to ride in a tractor when there's a buddy seat?
A lot easier.
So much easier.
I'm gonna go down here and get these side hills while I'm empty. And I can come back up there and finish it and see.
This is real steep here. I wonder what the grade of this is.
It's very steep.
Would you say, I mean, 9 to 10%?
Way more than that.
More? 12 to 13?
Maybe
20% grade right there? That's real steep.
I was baling this one time with the 886,
Yeah.
and I was on the steepest part, and the steering went out.
Oh,
Not a good situation. See that right there?
got it unplugged?
Yeah.
Well, at least you didn't have to crawl out and fix it by hand. I love the beep. It's the best song in the world. It's very predictable too. I bet you I know what comes up next.
It's right on time, too.
It is. It's like a metronome. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for this one. Dad is still out baling hay. He's doing a different section of the hills back here. But I'm going to call it. It's getting late. I want to get this video edited, and I have some other stuff I need to edit as well in the Farm and Sim series. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and until next time, I'll see y'all later. Hey, what's up? What you doing? What you doing? Living that good life? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Look at you prancing around back here.